Hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Chen and today I'm showing you how to drape an organza sari. Very simple sari, very simple drape. It's an open palla that I'm showing you, but till the end you have to watch this video because there's a twist. मैं अभी क्यों बताऊं? आप लास्ट तक देखो, आपको पता चल जाएगा. तो शुरू करें? Okay. So now I'm wearing a very simple cotton blouse. It's got buttons here. I'll tell you why. Okay, and of course I'm wearing my tea coat. You all know now I cannot wear saris without my tea coat because I know what huge difference it is to wear a normal petticoat and a difference between the new generation petticoats. That's the tea coat. Okay, so here we've done, I just leave a handful of fabric and I tuck this in here. Okay, take this fabric back and just measure the length. As you all know, the longer you keep behind, the taller you look, and I like my pallas to be long. So this is the length, and take it on your shoulders, bring this here and just tuck this. Okay, I've shown you a lot of ways to wear an open palla. This is another variation. Okay, after doing this, after you've measured the length, bring this down. Okay, now start pleating. Since it's organza, no narrow pleats, a little broad pleat will make you, look slim also because there'll be no extra bulges on this area. Okay. After you've done this, just dust. See, the moment you dust, if you've got a good organza fabric, it just falls so beautifully. Align them together. Okay. And from here as well. Holding all of them together properly. And see this part, what I'm doing is I'm holding this and I'm tucking this all the way. Can you see what I've done? Yeah, this is another way to wear an organza. It's got no embroidery, so I can definitely tuck this in and take this and just tuck the whole thing inside. Like this. Okay, see, all your pleats are in place and they fan so beautifully. Can you see it? You just have to put a pin here. Okay, after you've done that, just take this palla of yours, take it on top, and see, normally you all have this problem that, this is always short and this is always long, but look at mine, it's equal. So every fabric has got its own drape. For georgette, there's a different style to wear an open palla. For cotton, it is different. For organza, I'm showing you today. For net, it's different. So slowly, I'm going to cover all of them. But I think if I do step by step, you'll be able to be thorough with every drape. So this is how you do this. So okay, I've added a pin here and one pin here. And now, what is that one twist जिसके कारण मैं आपको लास्ट तक इंतजार करने बोली? Is this beautiful style? Look at this. Okay, आपको इसको पीछे डालना है, सामने लेना है और एक hook है. Just take this hook, tie this, and since the blouse that I'm wearing is high neck, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove 3 buttons of my blouse, put them inside, and look at this. Just fix it in a way where you can't see the black fabric. It's only the blouse. The collar. See? Can you see this? So here it is. What I've done is I've opened my blouse, like 3 buttons of my blouse, tucked it inside to give that V shape. Or what you can do is, if you want to wear this collar, you can get a V shape blouse done and just wear it on top like this. A simple sari, just enhanced by this beautiful embroidered collar. I hope you like this style, and you all know that I don't like doing too much. So for me, I think a plain black sari with just a little mukesh done and this collar just works. So I hope you all like this drape. I hope you all are enjoying all my drapes, tips and tricks that I keep sharing. What else? Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.